Hey everybody, it's Kristen McIntosh, the Happy Lawyer here at McIntosh Law. And everybody's been going on vacation. It's summer. We've been going to exotic places, we've been going to domestic places, or maybe we're having staycations. Well, except for staycations, can I just tell you the one thing that I hate the most about vacations? That's the packing, because I hate trying to plan ahead and figure out what I'm going to wear every day that I'm gone, because I don't know what the weather's going to be. I don't know what I'm going to feel like wearing on a day-to-day basis. However, in case you're like me and you hate packing, one thing you can do to help prepare for your trip before you leave that doesn't involve packing is make sure you have your dream team assembled. Make sure that you've met with your agent, that you have your travel plans in line, that you've got travel insurance in case something unexpected happens, and make sure you've met with your estate planning attorney to make sure you either have an estate plan or your estate plan is up to date and you have those temporary guardians appointed for your minor children if you are not taking them with you in case something happens while you are gone. So these are just some of the many traveling tips that I've been focusing on this month, and you can read more on my blogs, which can be found at thehappylawyernc.com. And until next time, everybody, stay happy.